Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and the fact that it has had a nice rally today. However, in the short term, it has still been rejected by the 20-day moving average. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Also check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. Let's go ahead and jump in. So we've seen this before, not our first rodeo. Bitcoin's up 10%. Everyone's got Forbes on speed dial. I've said it before, don't schedule those Forbes interviews just yet. We can get rejected by the 20-day, and if that happens, then, altcoins will still be put on the back burner, most likely. Okay, so the 20-day moving average a lot of times gives us the short-term implications of the market. If Bitcoin's above its 20-day moving average and below its prior all-time high, this is really good for alt Bitcoin movement. If Bitcoin is below its 20-day moving average, then by definition it has to be below its prior all-time high. So if it's below the 20-day moving average, then things are a little bit more short-term bearish, in my opinion. And until we break it, then things can change. So if sometime later today or tomorrow we have candles moving above the 20-day and we're back in this territory, and then Bitcoin's not putting in a new all-time high and it's just sort of in this region, then I think that's going to be great for altcoins. However, if the day goes by and we wake up tomorrow and we're just getting rejected by the 20-day back down, then this is going to be one of those sort of traps where people think everything's about to pick back up again, and then we just get rejected by the 20-day and go back down. So I would, as I've always said, right, if you look at the macro outlook of the entire asset class, I think we have a long way to go this market cycle, but you have to be cautious about these types of moves. We've seen these types of moves before. I mean, just go back over here. A few weeks ago, we had a nice move at the 20-day where we, in fact, rallied well above the 20-day, about 11% above it, and then we came all the way back down by the time the daily candle closed. So, and then eventually we broke through it, but it took about 3 or 4 more days. And this is what people need to take note of, okay? Going below the 20-day does not necessarily imply that we have to drop a lot lower, okay? It doesn't mean we have to drop a lot lower. Over here, we dropped down to the 50-day moving average. We saw that over here. We didn't even drop to the 50-day. We just barely went below it, and then we picked ourselves up by the bootstraps and then continued higher. Okay, so there's a distinction, in my opinion, between getting rejected by the 20-day moving average and then being above it. So if you want things to be even more bullish, you're probably looking at Bitcoin and you're like, okay, it's at 48.7. Ethereum's still at 1530. What's up? Look to the 20-day. Look to see if we break it. I'm not saying that we have to decisively break it for Ethereum to have a nice little rally, but I think for Ethereum to have a sustained rally, for that Ethereum tsunami or whatever we're looking for, then we would want to see Bitcoin above its 20-day moving average. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. We also have the altcoin season sale. You can find a link to that in the description below. You get access to the weekly reports, the weekly premium videos, the risk dashboard, the Telegram alerts channel, the Telegram chat room, the trading view indicators, and more. Make sure you guys subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for getting me to 150,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. But it does make me wonder, what would 200,000 subscribers feel like? Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.